Hi, so I wanted to come on and talk very quickly, very briefly about an amazing at-home facial device that you can have. So you come into clinic and you have all these amazing treatments done. How are you going to look after your skin at home so that you're getting the best potential out of your skin? Because there's no point in investing that money in clinic if you're not looking after your skin at home. So there's a number of things that we can do, and please come in and we can go through a full consultation with you. But one of the products I want to talk about today is the Ageloc Galvanic Spa. So this is an amazing at-home device, and I'm just going to take it out here. It has got different attachments, so it's got attachments for your scalp health, for around the eyes and where you have fine lines, and also a body attachment, which is great for larger areas. So for example, treating under the neck area or on the body. But today I'm going to talk about the face attachment. So as you can see, this is the attachment. This clips off and it's got these small grooves on here. And the reason that it has these small grooves is because we don't want it to be a flat surface, because then when it glides across the face, it's just going to push the product across like an iron. So these grooves mean that the product is going to sit in these grooves, and when you're moving it along the face, you're actually moving the product with it. So it just gives it a bigger surface area, which means it's working better. So this is going to work like an electric current. So you have to wet your hand. Don't worry if your hand, you don't need to drench your hand, it just has to be wet. The device is so clever, it will actually tell you if your hand's not wet enough. And then make sure that you're holding the back and the front. It's super lightweight, so you're not going to get a hand ache doing this. And it's really comfortable, it's ergonomically produced, so it fits really nicely into your hand. You're not going to get cramp holding it. And then what you want to do, so I'm just going to grab the product. So the packet of galvanic facial gels is like this, and you need 2 gels per treatment. So you take the first gel, which is the pre-treatment gel. The pre-treatment gel is negatively charged, so all of the molecules in there are negatively charged. And when we turn cycle 1 on, which is going to run for 2 minutes, the head, the electrode, is actually also negatively charged. So as you know, with magnets, they're going to repel each other. So we put the negatively charged gel on the face, place the negatively charged electrode on the face, and obviously all of that gel is going to get pushed into the epidermis. It actually penetrates, we've got 5 layers of the skin, it actually goes down to the dermis, and the gel is just, it's full of antioxidants, surfactants, so coconut oil derived, and that breaks down any oils that are on the skin and any impurities. And for all of those scientific chemists out there, it creates kind of like a bubble around all of those oils. It kind of encapsulates them, so it's going to do that. So now we've broken down all of the oils and the impurities, and we want to get rid of that. So first of all, you take a wet facial towel and wipe that off the face, and then the next part of the treatment is using the second gel. So that's the treatment gel, and this is positively charged, and this is where the magic really happens. So we're next going to put on the positive facial oil on, put it on to setting 2, which is going to run for 3 minutes, and that has got a positive charge. So again, it's going to repel that product into your dermis. All of those antioxidants, Ageloc products that actually work on a cellular level to reduce aging. In fact, it reverses aging. So I think it works for 24 hours. And not only is this going to repel the positive product into your face, it's going to attract all of those negative molecules, all of the oil and impurities that's on the skin. It's actually going to pull all of that gunk out of your skin, and at the same time drive the gel in. So this is an amazing product. So please let me know if you've got any questions down below. Thank you for listening.